guys, here's the new fridge. The freezer is really tiny, but it'll work. Better than no fridge and better than that damn 12-volt cooler I've been using. Oh, look at all this. Lots of storage. And Energy Star approved. So, because it's about 1.5 inches, right? 1.5 inches taller?
Yeah.
We're going to drop that bottom 1.5 inches. And that's what he's doing now. And then we're going to So,
You got those screws for this thing?
the screws for what?
The vent?
Yes. I have them in here. Give me 1 second. Here is this board right here.
Tips?
What's that?
They were square?
Yes. That's holding my fridge in, basically. Because there's screws on the other side that I'm going to show you. But also to enclose it, he had to do this, which is basically just boards because it was like 1 inch gap. So that way I can keep it nice and warm in here and cool when I'm using the AC. Yeah, so there's the new fridge. And I'll show you outside what he did. 1 second. These are so it doesn't, so the doors won't open while I'm driving down the road. They're child safety locks. It's how to think outside the box. And when I'm not traveling, I can just unhook them. Probably put a piece of Velcro or something, some way to keep them out of the way. But yeah, it's already getting cold. Right now we got me plugged into shore power. There's the fridge. I'll show you outside. Hold on. You need those screws, right?
Yes.
So that screw right there with the washer and that screw right there are holding the fridge in with that board that I showed you underneath. And he's about to fix the vent because they had it on upside down.